Welcome back, everybody. So last video I hid a little Easter egg about syntax, and now we're going to explicitly talk about it. And that's one of the things about programming is be explicit. So, all right, we need to talk about the 3 rules first of variables. So, can't have a special character, can't have a space, and can't start with a number. So let's just look at it. F, S, okay, invalid syntax. Then invalid syntax, but if I change it to G5 and then I pass in 6, that's completely legal. And then just like this, we can't have, like I said, space, because it's going to read this as an invalid. But this is the standard if you'd like to have words, which that's what we'll really delve into, is that you want to be very explicit and not guess what did I mean by that. You want the variable name, and that's one of the powerful things about Python is there are no limitations on the length of variable names. So type out what it is, call it what it is. If it's a score, call it a score. If it's a grade, call it a grade. So then boom, completely legal. So can't have a space, can't start with a number, and cannot contain a special character. All right, now syntax. Like I said, I hit a little in the last one, but you're gonna have this a lot. Where then in your regular, let's put this over here. It's gonna be our first use of our live. So we're gonna do SAMUEL. So now we need to talk about this. So you can run this. Wow, I cannot type today. Sorry, everybody. So this is going to be the same if you're using this program or the Python file. You go up to File, go up to Run, and then you drop down and you see an F5 button. You can click that or press F5, but your cursor does need to be over here. So put this into memory. Lo and behold, it runs. Great. Now I do name, and then say I leave that off. So I get, this is what Python does. Unexpected, you got a syntax problem. So the editor that I'm using helps me a lot. But if you're in the Python file, the shell file, it does not know, it lets you let it know when it's done. But if you do not close something out, you will get a syntax error. And the way that it typically does, so it tells you where it is. And that's the thing that I love about Python is you begin to learn how to solve problems even before you're really solving complicated problems. You're having to look at the code that you're writing. And here's a very important fact that you're going to hear me talk about. If you get something right, you very rarely don't learn anything. You're going to be wrong a lot. And that's good because you're making a mistake, you're learning something. You learn much, much more when you make a mistake than when you're correct. Because what happens if you lucked up and typed what you wanted to? And you didn't mean to type that. You didn't make a mistake. I'm fortunate enough that I've made so many mistakes that's why I know so much. Doesn't have anything to do with me being smart. Has everything to do with how many mistakes I made. So all right, let's keep moving and we'll see you next video.